Hey everybody, Dr. Nelson here. This is a video about how to subtract expressions. So at the first page we're going to do some problems together, and then you have a chance to try some problems on your own, and then at the end you can see how you did. Alright, so a couple of really important things to remember when you're subtracting expressions. The first thing is, don't forget that when you subtract a negative, it's the same as adding a positive. Alright, you're going to be seeing that quite a bit when you subtract expressions. And then the second thing is, when you subtract, you always combine like terms. Let's write down combine like terms. Alright, so knowing that, let's take a look at the first problem here. We have 9x plus 4y minus 2x plus 3y. Alright, and the way this works is we're subtracting, okay, this expression from the first one. So really what we're going to do is we're going to take away 2x, but then we're also going to take away a 3y. Alright, so if we have 9x take away 2x, that gives us 7x. And then 4y take away 3y gives us a y. So it's going to be 7x plus y. Alright, the next one we have 8x plus 6y minus 4x minus 4y. So again, we're going to take away a 4x, and then we're going to take away, but this time we're going to take away a negative 4y. Alright? So 8x minus 4x is 4x. But 6y, when we take away a negative 4y, remember when you subtract a negative, it's the same as adding, right? So this is really going to be a 6y plus 4y, which adds up to 10y. Alright, so again, when you subtract a negative, it's the same as adding. Alright, the last one. Here we have a trinomial take away another trinomial, right? So we're going to subtract a 3x. We're going to subtract a 3y, and we're going to subtract this time a constant, which is a 20. All right. So 11x take away 3x gives us an 8x. A 9y take away a 3y is 6y. And then finally 50 take away 20 gives us 30. And there it is. All right. So two things to remember: when you subtract expressions, when you subtract a negative, it's the same as adding. And then you do that by combining like terms. Alright, so why don't you pause the video and try the Your Turn Now problems. And when you're done, hit play. You can see how you did. Alright, good luck. Alright, welcome back. Let's see how you do with these practice problems. So we have 33x plus 22y minus 11x plus 12y. So remember, we're going to distribute this negative sign to both the 11x and also the 12y. So it's going to be 33x minus 11x, which is going to be 22x. And then 22y take away 12y, which gives us a 10y. Alright, that's the first one. Now the second one, we have 8x plus 10y minus negative 4x plus 6y. So again, we're going to distribute the negative, or the subtraction sign, to the negative 4x, then also the positive 6y, right? So 8x take away a negative 4x. Remember, when you subtract a negative, it's the same as adding, right? So 8x and 4x is 12x. And then 10y minus a 6y gives us a 4y. So it's going to be 12x plus 4y. Alright, this last one, we have negative 45x plus 9y minus 25x minus 7y. So again, we're going to have to subtract the 25x and then also subtract the negative 7y. So negative 45x minus 25x gives us a negative 70x. And then a 9y minus a negative 7y. Again, when you subtract the negative, it's the same as adding, right? So that's going to be a positive 16y. And there it is. Alright, how'd you do?